This stupid bit is stuck on my thingy and it won't come off. And it just did. And it won't come off. Oh my gosh, I finally did it. Look, it's free. My Makita is free. This, I love my vice grip. Vice grip. Anyways, I love him. He finally got it out. It is now beat up. It is trashed. It is so trashed. But this was the problem. It has that black paint. This black paint stuff. And it just, yeah, it was bad. All right, let me see if I can. Oops. Come here. Let's take a look. It might be hot. It was super hot earlier. But yeah, it's real messed up now. This is going in the trash. You are bad socket thingy drill bit adapter dumb thing.